X has completely changed how the feed works. Their old system was a giant pile of handwritten rules, and that's basically gone now. Now there's this machine learning model deciding what everyone sees. And I went through this open source code, so I'll show you how it actually works. I'm also hosting the actual X model on my own tool so that anyone can turn their bleh post into a viral post. Let's go. I'll talk about this at the end. The old algorithm was hand-tuned features and rules. Things like if they follow you, then boost it. If it has this word, then bury it. And it was really hard for them to scale. And the new one throws out that hand-engineered features and instead uses a transformer model built on xAI's Grok architecture that learns what's relevant from how people actually behave. One pipeline does this whole thing. And here's this whole system at a glance. It pulls candidate posts, it tags them with spam and safety filters, it filters out the junk, then the model ranks what's left. Also, X ads get blended in separately after that in a way that has no impact on your post, hopefully. Posts then go through two doors. The first is in-network, recent posts from people you follow. That part's fast, and it's all held in the memory. This is similar to the legacy system that was already in place before this recent update. The second is out-of-network. This is the big one for reach. It turns your interest into a vector and searches all of X for posts that match. And that's why a new account with clear topics can still get seen. That door doesn't care who follows you. It's just looking for clear matches and then takes it from there. And this is the core of the new algorithm. For every post, the model predicts 19 different actions that you might take. Reply, repost, like, follow the author, and so on. And 4 of them are negative, so not interested, block, mute, and report. Each of these actions get a weight, and then that gets added up, and the negative ones get subtracted. So the score is net predicted value, not just raw engagement. And it scores each post on its own, which keeps it fair. So putting it all together, it's about 8 steps. Collect your signal, pull candidates, attach the spam and safety labels, filter and clean. The model predicts the 19 actions, it scores them, do a final safety check and pick the top ones. Then ads get blended in, and bam, that's your feed. And so it's built this way on purpose. There are 3 deliberate choices. First, no handcrafted rules. The model should learn everything. Second, it scores each post independently, so it's fair and can be cached. And finally, the pipeline is modular, so they can change one piece without breaking the rest. Here's what people get wrong. A high score does not guarantee that you get shown. First, there's no shadow ban switch. It's a stack of things like old posts get cut, stuff you've already seen gets cut, mutes and blocks and safety and spam gets dropped, repeat posts from the same author gets decayed, and out-of-network posts get scaled down. Any one of these can quietly shrink your reach. Also, the model never actually reads your posts, not even once. It works off of hashed IDs, your history, what part of your app you're on, and how old the post is. That's it. So what actually helps? Well, you can lead with a clear topic, because that's what the out-of-network search matches on. Ask a real question, since replies and quotes are strongly rewarded. And post while the topic is fresh, because old posts get cut. And what hurts? Engagement bait, rage bait, and reposting the same thing again and again. So I built a tool that runs your post against all of this code. It runs it against the actual algorithm and the actual model that X has listed open source. And so if you want to try that, you can go to x.alphastack.fun and it will look like this. And so I'm going to try this live. Let's just do something like Elon, Trump, and Xi all met last week. Did Tesla get some sales? All right, some random thing. I'm going to put my handle here. So AlphaStack1. Follow me. Also, we can put an image. Okay, so I have some random image attached, and I'm going to click score. I'm doing all this because hopefully it doesn't succeed. Hopefully it's going to give me a low score because this is just random junk. You can also see here that it's first checking the key. So here's the prices. I had to make a price because this is running the true algorithm on a server, which costs me money. So if you want to try, the lowest package is $5, do 10 runs. And the point of this tool is to allow you to improve your post and get it to go viral. The first step is it's going to use KimiK2 to read that image. By the way, the image is this, which is from Sons in the Forest, completely not related to the topic. So I'm hoping this will be a good bad image. So it reads that image, it understands it, and then it's going to start going through all of this code that's from the open source algorithm, right? So it's running community heuristics, looking for those flags. It's running the actual model, the Phoenix model, right? This is what it's going to use to get these weights right here. These weights right here. After that, it's going to go through some other things, and we have this score right here. And yes, it got an F, which is what I was kind of hoping for. It's going to give you a suggested rewrite, interesting week for geopolitics, EVs, blah, 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 blah. It's going to give you all the specifics. So for example, one thing, like I said before, is the clear topical framer at the start. It gives you a credible voice. It's also adding other things in here. So notice that I had a gaming map, which is not connected, and also specific comparatives. There's a bunch of information here, so you can use this to, however you like. So if you want to try this, it's live at x.alphastack.fun. The X algorithm is at xai-org/xalgorithm. All the code I got from here. And also, if you want to follow me, my X account is alphastack1. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.